Okay, good afternoon, everyone.
Afternoon, teacher.
Okay, so everyone, how are you today? I am
am happy. I am happy.
happy. Very good. Okay, spell happy with action. H.
I am happy.
Wow. So everyone, please focus and listen to teacher. All right. Okay, please go ahead and get your science book, the color blue. All right. So again, everyone, grade 1, welcome back to our online class. For this week, our topic is all about the types and properties of materials. Okay, again, today we are going to learn about the types and properties of materials. Okay, so this subject or our subject is science for grade 1. So everyone, let us read all together. Number 1, object.
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 Okay, number 2, paper.
Paper.
Very good. Number 2, paper.
Paper.
Very good. Number 3, rubber. It's noisy. Okay, so just follow teacher on your end so that everyone can hear me. Okay, so number 3, rubber. Okay, so you pronounce this as raw. Raw. Okay, rubber. Okay. Number 4, rock. Again, rock. Number 5, wood. Wood. Okay. Number 6, flexible. Flexible. Okay, again, flexible. Right? Number 7, hammered. Hammered. Okay. Number 8, boiled. Boiled. Number 9, rough. Rough. And number 10, smooth. Smooth. Okay, again, let us read all together. You follow teacher. Number 1, object. Paper. Rubber. Rock. Wood. Flexible. Hammered. Boiled. Rough. Smooth. Okay, so these are the vocabularies for our topic today. Okay, so let us move on to the discussion. Everyone, please behave and listen to teacher. Okay, so we have here types and properties of materials. Okay, so objects are toys and things around us. Okay, again, objects are toys and things around us. Okay, so the toys and things around us are called objects. Okay, they look different in shape. Okay, so they have different shapes. They can be made of same or different matter, such as wood, iron, paper, and rubber. We call the matter materials. Okay, so we call this as materials. Okay, so they are made out of different matter. Examples are wood, iron, paper, and rubber. Okay, so we call these matters as materials. Okay, so they are being used in making toys and things. We have here an activity in page 98. Okay, please go to page 98. Okay, again, page 98. Okay, so in here, draw lines to match the objects to the materials they are made of. Okay, so first one, in the first picture, this is a drinking glass. So this thing is made out of glass. Okay, next we have a shirt. Okay, this thing is made up of fabric. Okay, fabric. Next, number 3, we have mortar and pestle. So this is made out of stone. Number 4, we have plastic bags. These are made out of plastic. Okay, so please draw a line to match the picture and the materials that they are made of. All right, please tell me if you're finished. All right, are you all finished in page 98?
I am finished. Teacher, I am finished.
All right, that's great. So let's move on to the next. Let us further discuss our topic. Okay, so please go to page 101. Again, please go to page 101. Okay, so materials are the matter used for making objects like toys and many things. Here are some examples of materials. Okay, so again, the things that is being used for making objects like toys and many things are called materials. And we have here examples of materials. So the first one is wood. Okay, so wood comes from trees that were cut into sheets or pieces. Okay, so wood can be used in making objects like toys and things. Right? Next, rubber. So what is rubber? So rubber is a flexible matter made from juice of rubber trees. Then the juice is turned into rubber sheets to make objects. Okay, so this is the rubber coming from the rubber trees. Okay, so this is the juice of the rubber trees. So they can turn this into rubber sheets to make objects. Okay. Next is metals. Okay, so metals come from rocks called ores. They can be heated and hammered into sheets or drawn out into wire. Okay, so this metal can be hammered into sheets or drawn out into wire. So we can make sheets and wires using metals. Okay, next, rocks. Rocks are the surface of the earth. We dig or blow up mountains to get rocks. They are broken into small pieces and used in buildings, roads, containers, and many other things. Okay, so we use the rocks to build buildings, houses, roads, containers, and many more. Okay, please go to the next page, 102. Okay, we have more examples here. Next is paper. Okay, paper is made from trees. Wood becomes paper by cutting it into chips, blending it into wood pulp, boiling, adding chemicals, and making it into sheets. Okay, so these are papers. So they come from woods. Okay. Next is plastics. So plastics are made from crude oil and natural gases by chemical processes. Then, the plastics are used for making objects. Okay, so we've made plastic from crude oil and natural gases via chemical processes. Okay, so that's why we have plastics, and these plastics are being used for making many objects. All right. Next, fabrics. So fabrics are made from fibers. Some fabrics are made from natural fibers such as silk and wool. Some are made from synthetic fibers such as nylon. Okay, so these fibers can be made out of silk and wool. Okay, so we use fabrics in making clothes, right? Making clothes, curtains, and many more. Right. Next is glass. So glass is made by melting sand at very high temperatures. Glass can be made into things of different shapes, such as bottles. Okay, so glass is made out of sand. Okay, so they are being melted into very high temperature. The result is we will have a glass. Okay, so they will come into different shapes. Next, page 103. Okay, please go to page 103. Objects around us are made of different materials. These things are made out of different materials. Okay, so let's say, for example, this closet. Okay, so this closet is made of wood. Okay, again, this closet where you keep your clothes, these are made out of, or this is made out of wood. Okay, next is curtain. Okay, this curtain is made of fabric. Right? Next, this book is made of paper. So this one, these books are made out of paper. Next, this mirror is made of glass. Okay, this mirror is made of glass. All right. Next, this vase is made from clay. Okay, so this one, the vase, it is near the mirror. It is made up of clay. Okay, next, this ball is made of plastic. Okay, again, this ball is made of plastic. Next, this handle is made of metal. Okay, so the handle of the closet is made of metal. Right? So those are the materials of the objects around you. Okay. So we have here an additional science fact. So materials can be divided into two groups. We have natural and man-made materials. Okay. Natural materials are those such as wood, rock, rubber, and clay. Next, man-made materials are those such as metal, plastic, and paper. Okay. So man-made, these are the things that is made by humans. While natural materials, yes, natural, these are from the nature. Okay, page 104. So we can see that some objects are made of one type of material, but some are made of many types of materials, right? Okay, so some things are made out of one material only, but other things are made out of two or more. Okay, so they are made of many types. Okay, so some objects are made of many types of materials. Okay, this hair clip is made of metal and fabric. Okay, so in here, they've used two material, which is the metal and fabric. Okay. Next, this pair of scissors is made of metal and plastic. While on the other side, these balloons are made from rubber. Okay, so this balloon is made up of one type of material only, which is rubber. Okay. This vase is made of glass. Okay, so it is made out of glass only. Next, this table is made of wood. Okay, these are made up of one type of material only. Okay, while in this side, these things are made up of two or more materials. Okay. So we have here properties of materials. We use different materials to make different objects. Some materials look and feel alike and do the same job. But some look and feel different and do different jobs. What materials look, feel, and do is called properties. Okay, so when we say properties, these are what can a material look like, feel like, and do. Okay, so let's see examples here. Okay, so here are some materials that have the same and different properties. These are balloons. The material is rubber. The color is red, orange, and pink. The shape is oval. Okay, how does it feel? So it is smooth and soft. Can they stretch? Yes, they can. The material, color, shape, feel, okay, and what they can do, these are the properties. Next is towels. Okay, so the material of a towel is fabric. Next, the color is pink and red. The shape, rectangular. Feel, rough but soft. Can they stretch? Okay, can we stretch towel? No, they cannot. Okay. So these are the properties of this towel. Okay, next. So this is a glass. So the material of this is glass also. The color is clear. The shape cylindrical. Feel smooth and hard. Can they stretch? No, they cannot. Okay. So these are the properties of a glass. Okay, so again, when we say properties, these are how they look like, their colors, their materials, and what they can do. Okay, and also their shape. All right.